Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. Stocks rose on Monday to kick off the final trading week of August, with Wall Street looking to regain ground amid a month of losses. Overall, the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 0.62%, the S&P 500 climbed 0.63%, and the Nasdaq Composite advanced 0.84%. All three indexes have lost ground in August, with the S&P 500 shedding 3.4%. The Nasdaq and Dow have slipped about 4.5% and 2.8% respectively. Meta and Apple traded slightly higher, while Nvidia added 1.8%. Shares of the electric vehicle giant Tesla inched up by 0.1%. Those moves come as tech tries to regain its footing late in August. The information technology sector of the S&P 500 is down 4.6% for the month. Outside of technology, shares of 3M popped more than 5%, a day after Bloomberg News reported, citing sources familiar, said that the company was ready to settle lawsuits alleging some earplugs were faulty. Stocks are coming off a winning session following fresh remarks from the Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. On Friday, Powell pointed to some signs of continued economic growth and strong consumer spending, but indicated that the central bank would proceed carefully with additional hikes. As of Monday morning, traders were pricing a more than 20% chance that the Fed will raise rates again at its upcoming September meeting, according to CME Group's FedWatch tool. Investors are also watching the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, the Personal Consumption Expenditures Index, due out on Thursday, followed by fresh non-farm payroll data Friday morning. Turning to commodities now, the Indian Prime Minister warns of potential new colonialism if countries possessing critical minerals don't adopt custodianship as a global duty, highlighting concerns over uncertain availability of these minerals for the clean energy transition. China dominated around 70% of global rare earth mine production and over 85% of processing capacity in fiscal year 2022. Europe has lost its position as the world's largest offshore wind market to the Asian Pacific region, led by China, as a result of rising costs and supply chain disruptions. And on the China front, Chinese stocks surged on Monday following the government's announcements of measures, including halving the stamp duty on securities transactions to 0.05% and implementing limits on new listings, aimed at revitalizing the capital market and bolstering investor confidence. Turning to US sectors now, Monday's rally was broad. 10 of the 11 sectors in the S&P 500 were positive. Utilities was the only sector that finished in the red and was the worst performer, closing down by 0.03%. The SPY futures are pointing to a 0.4% gain. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.